Understanding ago, a key word for discussing past events in English. Have you ever wondered how to talk about events that happened in the past? Today, we're going to learn about a very useful word, ago. This small but powerful word will help you express time in the past more clearly in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Word type. Ago is an adverb. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. And in this case, ago helps us describe when something happened in relation to the present. Meaning, ago means in the past or before the present time. It's always used to refer to a period of time backwards from now. For example, if we say something happened 2 days ago, we mean it occurred 2 days before today. Word history. The word ago comes from Old English. It's actually a shortened form of the phrase agone, which meant passed away or gone by. Over time, it evolved into the simple ago we use today. Antonyms. While ago doesn't have direct antonyms, we can consider words or phrases that refer to the future as its opposites. These include from now, later, and in the future. Synonyms. Ago doesn't have many true synonyms, but we can use phrases like in the past, previously, or before now to convey a similar meaning. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use ago in sentences. I started learning English 5 years ago. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids thousands of years ago. My friend called me just a few minutes ago. We moved to this city not long ago. Notice how ago always comes after the time period it refers to. Common errors in use. One common mistake is placing ago at the beginning of a time phrase. Remember, ago always comes at the end. For example, we say 2 weeks ago, not ago 2 weeks. Another error is using ago with present perfect tense. Ago is used with simple past tense. So we say I saw her 2 days ago, not I have seen her 2 days ago. Lastly, don't confuse ago with before. We use ago to talk about a point in the past from now, while before is used to talk about one past event happening earlier than another past event. To wrap up, ago is a simple but important word for describing past events in relation to the present. Practice using it in your own sentences, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English vocabulary. Remember, consistent practice is key to improving your IELTS score. Keep learning and good luck with your studies.